How to optimize AMD software for video recording. Let's start. Click the Setup wizard. Get started. Recording. Click Next. Click Next. Set quality to high. Enable desktop recording. Click Next. And finish. In Settings, enable Show Indicator if you want to display it. Set quality to high. Select the resolution matching your monitor. Choose the highest FPS. Set video bitrate to 100. For audio, if you have ample free space on your hard drive, set audio bitrate to 100. Change the audio channel to stereo. And disable microphone recording if you're not using it. That's it. For more video tutorials about PCs, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell.